Welcome back to HX Motors. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, a bold and futuristic Toyota motorhome concept built for extreme adventure, ultimate comfort, and head-turning presence on any road in America. Imagine a machine that combines the toughness of an off-road expedition truck with the luxury and freedom of a high-end camper van, designed for people who don't just travel, but live the journey. This motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a moving fortress of steel, power, and modern design, created for explorers who want to go farther, stay longer, and do it all in absolute comfort. From the very first glance, the exterior presence of this motorhome is massive and unforgettable. The body is crafted with a full steel construction that gives it a rugged, armored look, while still maintaining a premium and futuristic style. The black and brown color combination creates a powerful contrast, blending luxury with toughness. The glossy metallic finish reflects light beautifully, especially when parked under bright showroom lights or cruising under the open American sky. At the front, the bold Toyota branding sits proudly across a muscular grille, supported by aggressive lines and heavy-duty design elements that instantly communicate strength and reliability. The headlights are sharp, modern, and technologically advanced, giving the vehicle a confident face whether it's parked or moving down the highway. One of the most striking features of this concept motorhome is its extreme off-road capability, highlighted by its 15 massive all-terrain tires. These oversized, rugged tires are designed to dominate rough terrain, from rocky trails to muddy forest tracks. The suspension system is reinforced and built to handle heavy loads, steep climbs, and uneven surfaces, allowing this giant motorhome to travel where most luxury campers would never dare to go. The high ground clearance adds to its commanding stance, making it look ready for deserts, mountains, snow, and deep wilderness routes across the United States. Even when standing still, the vehicle feels like it's prepared for an expedition. Moving along the side profile, the stretched camper body shows a perfect balance between function and design. Large tinted windows provide privacy while still allowing natural light to enter the interior. The steel panels are detailed with subtle lines and structural elements that suggest durability and long-term reliability. Storage compartments are integrated into the lower section, ideal for carrying camping gear, tools, or long-distance travel essentials. The entire silhouette feels aerodynamic despite its size, with smooth curves blended into a strong industrial form. At the rear, the motorhome continues its heavy-duty personality with reinforced bumpers, modern taillights, and a design that looks both practical and futuristic. This is the kind of vehicle that looks just as impressive parked in a luxury showroom as it does driving across a wide American highway at sunset. The reflections on the metallic body create a premium feel, while the overall proportions emphasize stability and strength. Stepping inside, the experience changes from rugged exterior power to refined interior comfort. The entry leads into a compact yet luxurious lounge area designed for relaxation after long journeys. The seating is upholstered in a black and brown theme that matches the exterior color palette, using premium materials that feel both durable and elegant. Soft ambient lighting creates a warm atmosphere, making the space feel inviting whether you're parked in a city or deep in nature. Large windows allow scenic views during travel, turning every stop into a private observation deck. The lounge is designed to be multifunctional, acting as a relaxation zone, social area, and even a workspace. The layout is optimized to use every inch efficiently without feeling cramped. Storage spaces are cleverly hidden within the walls and seating bases, ensuring that travelers can carry essentials without cluttering the interior. The floor materials are selected for durability and easy cleaning, which is important for off-road adventures where dust and mud are part of the journey. Adjacent to the lounge is a compact but highly practical kitchen area. Despite its small footprint, it includes modern cabinetry, a sleek countertop, a built-in sink, and a compact cooking surface suitable for preparing meals on the road. The metallic finishes and clean design give it a contemporary American RV feel, while the smart layout ensures everything is within reach. Overhead storage keeps utensils and supplies organized, making it possible to cook comfortably even during long trips across states. Moving further inside, the small bedroom space provides a private retreat designed for rest and recovery. The bed is positioned to maximize available room while still allowing movement around it. Soft lighting and subtle textures create a calm environment, perfect after a long day of driving or exploring. The design focuses on comfort without unnecessary bulk, which is essential in a mobile living space. Ventilation and window placement ensure fresh air and natural light during the day, while privacy can be maintained when needed. The bathroom area, though compact, is designed with practicality in mind. It includes a small shower space, a toilet, and a minimalist sink setup. Water-resistant materials and easy-to-clean surfaces make it suitable for real travel conditions. The layout ensures that even within limited space, users still get the essential convenience of a fully functional restroom, which is a major advantage for long off-grid journeys. Up front, the driver's cabin brings a different kind of experience, focused on control and technology. The steering wheel is designed with a strong, modern look, and the dashboard features a large digital display that provides navigation, vehicle data, and driving assistance information. The seating position is elevated, giving the driver a commanding view of the road ahead. This is especially useful when driving such a large motorhome across highways, mountain passes, or forest routes. The cabin combines truck-like toughness with premium comfort, making long drives less tiring. On the road, this motorhome concept is built to deliver both presence and stability. With its wide stance, multiple axles, and heavy-duty engineering, it would move confidently across long American highways, maintaining balance even at cruising speeds. The powerful structure suggests the ability to handle crosswinds, uneven pavement, and long distances between destinations. When taken off the highway, the all-terrain tires and reinforced suspension would allow it to tackle gravel roads, desert tracks, and mountain routes without compromising passenger comfort. Imagine this vehicle driving through a scenic mountain highway, surrounded by cliffs and open sky, or rolling slowly through a dense forest trail with sunlight filtering through the trees. It represents freedom in its purest form, the ability to carry your home, your comfort, and your security wherever the road leads. It's designed for people who want independence from hotels, fixed schedules, and crowded travel plans. This concept also reflects the growing interest in adventure travel across the United States, where more people are choosing road life, van life, and long-distance exploration. A motorhome like this would appeal to explorers, content creators, families, and outdoor enthusiasts who want both rugged capability and luxury living in one platform. It blends the reliability image associated with Toyota with an imaginative, future-focused design language. Of course, it's important to remember that this is my own concept style, and motorhomes like this may become reality in future. The idea behind this design is to push imagination beyond current limits and explore what the next generation of adventure motorhomes, luxury campers, and extreme off-road homes on wheels built for the roads and wild landscapes of America. If you enjoy seeing bold and futuristic motorhome concepts like this, subscribe to my channel and join our community for this type of motorhome concepts, where we imagine the next generation of adventure vehicles, luxury campers, and extreme off-road homes on wheels built for the roads and wild landscapes of America.